Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So we are here today to do an unboxing because I made top 30 in the Nordic Face Awards hosted by NYX Professional makeup. And as probably a lot of you already know, I also entered last year and I made top 5. So I went to the finale in Stockholm and it was amazing. So I decided to enter this year as well because just the whole experience was just so much fun. I learned so much and I pushed myself so far. Like, I never thought I could be able to do anything similar to what I did last year. So I thought that I have to enter this year as well, you know, as a growing experience and stuff. So today I received this huge box from NYX Professional makeup. And all of the top 30 received this box, so I'm doing an unboxing for you guys today. But I thought that since, you know, I've already done like 2 unboxings on this channel and I kind of wanted to like spice it up a bit, like do something fun and something kind of like unusual. So I thought that I would blindfold myself and I would guess what products I get in these boxes, since I'm very familiar with like all of NYX Professional makeup's products, because, you know, I entered last year as well and I got this huge box last year as well, and I also just love NYX Professional makeup. Like, I use their products a lot, especially when it comes to like creative stuff. So I thought that since I'm so familiar, it would be very fun to just, you know, see if just me feeling and like just touching their products, like see if I can kind of guess what it is. I don't know, I thought it would be really fun and just like another way of doing an unboxing video. I don't know, but let's just try. So my mom already put the boxes out, so I just see, like, this is what I see. There are 3 of those and they're quite heavy. So I'm just going to, you know, blindfold myself and let's just try. And of course I'm using this Indian dupatta because I'm Indian, so seems appropriate. Okay, so let's try. I hope that I just don't fail so badly at this, because I might, you know. Okay, I can't see anything. So let's open this one first. Let's see. Okay, there's something. I imagine these are brushes. Yeah, there must be brushes. I can't really guess what kind of brushes, but I imagine they're brushes. There are more. Let's see. I'll put them here. There are all of these brushes. This is so weird. Okay, so these are brushes. Yeah. Oh my god. They gave me a lot of brushes and I need that, so it's really good. I think that was all the brushes. I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like now. Okay. So let's... Okay, so this is an ultimate palette, but I can't guess what color it is, because obviously, but I'm pretty sure this is an ultimate palette, but I'm not sure which one, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, and these are the Vivid Brights, you know, the pot cream eyeshadows or cream color things. I'm pretty sure feels that way. Okay, more of them, I think. Yeah. Oh my god, even more of them. Is there anything more in here? No. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I got anything correct or not. Oh my god. Okay, so... Oh my god! Oh! Damn. Okay, so I guessed correctly. It is the Love Contours All. Oh my god, I did not think I would be able to guess that. I didn't think the Mochi palette had that curve here, because it has this curve, and I did not think it would, but it does. And yes, I was correct about this one. Pretty sure it was an ultimate palette, but I wasn't sure which one. So this is the electric one. And yeah, cream colors, I guessed correctly. And the brushes. Okay, so no, this one I failed. So this is a HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. So it's an eyeshadow primer. I haven't seen this one before. Seems very exciting. So I thought this was a lipstick, but not. Well, you guys, like, what is this? Oh my god! Look at all the brushes. Oh, I can die of happiness right now. So many. So let's do another box. I can't see anything, but okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, let's open it. This is what's inside, if you can see anything. I don't know. Okay, okay. Okay, what is this? This must be some sponge, like a beauty blender or something. 2 of them, I would guess. Okay. This must be lipstick. Yeah, it must be lipstick. I'm not sure which one though, but some kind of lipstick. Oh my god, some kind of lipstick. I would guess. And there are a lot of them in here. Yeah, yeah, must be. Can't be like a pigment or something. No. Is it like a new pigment or something? I don't know. Because it has this like, it seems like there's a... I'm guessing lipstick, but you know, I might be totally wrong. So there are a lot of them in here. Like this seems so big to be lipstick, like very like they seem really big, but maybe like there's a new lipstick or something. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about these ones. Okay. Okay. I would guess these are lashes. Yeah, I think lashes. Oh, okay, no. What is this though? Some, like, I imagine there is some, maybe like a gel eyeliner or brow pomade or something, because, yeah, or maybe the NYX Professional makeup has this pot concealer, maybe it's that one. I'm not sure. Okay, so there are more of that one. Okay, so there are more. How many? Okay, so a lot. Maybe not the concealer then. I'm not sure how many shades there are in that concealer, but so, and like, okay, so I would guess brow, because I don't think you need that many like gel eyeliners unless they're like different colors. Maybe there are. Either brow pomade or eyeliner, I would guess. So this is also the thing that seems very compact, but I would guess lipstick. I think it's the same as the ones I showed you, but I'm not really sure. Okay. Are there more or just one? Only one. Maybe Epic ink liner? Some kind of eyeliner? Yeah? I think so. Okay. This must be a lipstick. Like, this must be some kind of lipstick. Maybe a lip lingerie or something, I would think. Or maybe the new one. How many did I get? Oh, okay. So I got a lot. And I think maybe it is that duochromatic new one, that like the gloss or something. I saw it on the launch, but I'm not sure. But like it has this, like it's very like a duochromatic, like halo kind of. I'm gonna guess that it is that one. Okay, so there are a lot of What is this? What is this? This must be some kind of liner. Not sure what kind of liners. NYX Professional Makeup has a lot of liners, so it's hard to guess. Maybe the white ones, or maybe the black ones, or colorful ones. I did get a lot, so it's hard to guess what kind it is. But some kind of liners, I would guess it is. So let's see. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. So I totally failed at these ones. These are the holographic halo sticks. Obviously they're too big to be lipsticks, and these are the duochromatic lipsticks. So I thought that was similar to this one, but it's different. And these are, yeah, the duochromatic shimmer lip gloss. So these were, I guessed correctly on this one, because I remember swatching them and I was like, okay, so these are halo liners. That's really cool. So I got a lot of them. They're really cool. Look at this one. It's like green. My mascara has, oh my god. Okay, so my makeup is ruined because of this, but it's fine. I'm so stupid. I never thought that, maybe, you know, my mascara will, you know, run like that. But okay, let's continue. I look like, I don't know, but I'm not giving up. Open it. It seems very full and very heavy. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. So seems like there are a lot of this in here. And I have no idea what it is. So that's, you know, that's good. I'm gonna keep them for later and, you know, guess later because I have no idea. Okay, so I think these are the duo highlighters. They're like duochromatic highlighters, I would guess. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. This does not have that curve, but I'm guessing this is the I Love You So Muchi highlighter palette, the one with the 3 highlighting shades. I'm not sure which way it is, but it has like 3 shades of, yeah, highlighter. Oh, okay, no. Stay matte when I flap the powder, like some kind of powder, setting powder or something, I would guess. Yeah. So the only thing that's left in this box is like a lot, like I'm not even kidding, a lot of these ones, and I'm not sure if they're all the same or if you know, there's some kind of like if it's the same product or not. But like my brain, I'm gonna think, you know, like, okay, so what have I not gotten that I would need to create a makeup look, and that is base. So I'm guessing concealer or foundation. Maybe some are concealers and maybe some are foundation, but I have no idea which foundation it is because it does not seem, I'm not familiar with it. I'm not sure, maybe they're concealers or foundation. I'm not sure. So, oh, let's see. Okay, oh! Studio Photogenic Foundation. I have not seen this or tried this. It's very exciting. They look really good. A lot, wait. A lot. Oh, so these are new. I remember them now. The holographic finishing powder. Oh, they're very pretty. They look so pretty. You guys, this one, it's perfect. I have like 100 of this one, and I just love it so much. It has this very nice like pink, like when in certain lights it looks super pink, and in other lights it looks like just a regular highlighting, kind of like white, not white, but you get what I mean. and then in some lights it's just so pink, like it's so beautiful. And I'm obsessed with this one. Like, you guys have no idea how many did I get wrong. I'm quite impressed, to be honest, because I did not think I would be able to guess correctly like on so many products, because obviously like there's so much. But I guessed wrong about the eyelid primer, and I guessed wrong on these ones, and the sticks that I thought was lipsticks, the halo sticks that I thought was lipstick. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. Kind of proves what kind of NYX Professional makeup junkie I am. But so I'm just gonna take a look. Oh, I have not seen this. That is so cute. Oh my god, you guys, I did not see this before now. So it has like these pink worms and a lot of like cool stuff. So oh, I got this banner. Woo. Congratulations, you are in top 30 of Nordic Face Awards 2018. Your first challenge is Pastel Dreams. So that is the next challenge. So the next video that's coming up on my channel is my top 30 Pastel Dreams makeup look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet, so let's just not stress about that, okay? Oh, that's so cute. It's like a bag, like a shopping bag. Oh, I really like that. Soft spoken number 4. So cute. I got so much. Oh my god. That's so much. Quite insane. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this unboxing video. Like, it's kind of different, but you know, I'm weird, so I thought I would spice it up a bit. Yeah, I just want to thank NYX Professional Makeup. Like, you guys, I love you. You're insane. Oh, you spoil me so much. Like, all of us though. This is way too much. I'm so excited. I just want to play with all of this. I just want to thank you for believing in me. I made top 30, you guys, and I'm so stoked. Like, I'm so excited. Can't wait for this journey to begin again. So excited. I have no idea what I'm going to do for the next challenge, but the next video that will come will be my Pastel Dreams makeup look. So yeah. I don't know what to do, but hopefully it will be cool. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Have an amazing day or night or morning or whatever. Yeah, goodbye.